Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of a truly magical spice, turmeric. You probably know it as the vibrant golden powder that gives curry its signature color. But there is so much more to this incredible ingredient. We're going to explore everything from its ancient roots to modern-day superfood status, ready to spice up your life. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what makes turmeric so special. The secret lies in a compound called curcumin. This is the active ingredient that is responsible for not only its brilliant color but also its powerful antioxidant properties. For centuries, traditional medicine systems like Ayurveda have revered turmeric for its health benefits. And now modern science is catching up, studying how it can support our overall well-being. From supporting a healthy inflammation response to promoting joint comfort, the potential benefits are seriously impressive. It's like a little golden superhero hiding in your spice rack. Now let's get into the kitchen because that's where the fun really begins. The most classic use for turmeric, of course, is in curry. Whether you're making a rich, creamy Indian korma or a spicy Thai red curry, turmeric is a non-negotiable team player. It provides a warm, earthy, slightly peppery flavor that forms the foundation of the dish. But here's a pro tip. To really unlock its flavor and benefits, you need to bloom it. This means gently heating the turmeric powder in a bit of oil or ghee, along with other spices like cumin and coriander, before adding your main ingredients. This simple step transforms the flavor from dusty and raw to deep and aromatic. It's a game changer, I promise. Let's make a simple, delicious chicken curry together to show you how it's done. Start by heating some coconut oil in a pan. Add chopped onions and salt until they're soft and translucent. Now it's time for the spices. Add a teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of coriander, and a pinch of cayenne if you like some heat. Stir constantly for about 30 seconds until the spices are fragrant. You'll see that gorgeous golden color come to life. Next, add your chicken pieces and coat them well in the spice mixture. Sear them for a few minutes on each side. Then pour in a can of coconut milk and a cup of vegetable broth. Bring it to a simmer, then reduce the heat, cover and let it cook for about 20 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through and tender. The sauce will thicken and become incredibly flavorful. Finish it off with a squeeze of fresh lime juice and a sprinkle of fresh cilantro. Serve it with some fluffy basmati rice, and you've got a restaurant-worthy meal made right at home. See, mastering the art of turmeric in curry is easier than you think. But wait, there's so much more to turmeric than just curry. Let's move from savory to soothing. Have you ever heard of golden milk? This is a traditional Ayurvedic drink that has become a global wellness trend. And for good reason. It's a warm, comforting, and incredibly nourishing beverage that's perfect for winding down at the end of the day. Making it is super simple. In a small saucepan, gently warm up a cup of your favorite milk, dairy, almond, oat, or coconut all work beautifully. Whisk in about half a teaspoon of ground turmeric, a quarter teaspoon of ground ginger, and a pinch of black pepper. Why black pepper? It contains piperine, a compound that significantly increases your body's ability to absorb curcumin. It's a crucial step. Continue whisking until the mixture is smooth and heated through, but don't let it boil. If you like it sweet, you can add a touch of honey or maple syrup at the end. Pour it into your favorite mug, and you have the perfect cozy drink. It's like a warm hug in a cup. And the infusion fun doesn't stop there. You can also elevate your morning tea with a dash of turmeric. Just add a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder to your regular black or green tea while it is steeping. A slice of lemon and a bit of honey complement the earthy flavor perfectly, creating a zesty and revitalizing brew to start your day. It's a simple habit that can add a little wellness boost to your daily routine. You can even make a turmeric-infused simple syrup to add to sparkling water or cocktails for a unique, sophisticated twist. The possibilities are truly endless once you start thinking of turmeric as more than just a curry powder. So let's recap 5 amazing ways turmeric can transform your health and your meals. 1. Create authentic, delicious curries by blooming the spice first. 2. Whip up a soothing cup of golden milk for the ultimate relaxing beverage. 3. Infuse your daily tea for an easy wellness boost. 4. Sprinkle it into scrambled eggs or tofu scrambles for a beautiful color and a savory kick. And 5. Blend it into your smoothies. A little bit goes a long way and pairs surprisingly well with fruits like mango and pineapple. It's an incredibly versatile spice that deserves a prime spot in your kitchen. From ancient traditions to modern kitchens, turmeric has proven itself to be a true golden wonder. It adds flavor, color, and a host of potential health benefits to our lives. I hope this has inspired you to get creative and start incorporating more of this amazing spice into your daily routine. Don't be afraid to experiment. Whether you're simmering a curry, whisking up some golden milk, or just adding a pinch to your morning tea, you're tapping into a world of flavor and wellness. If you have specific health concerns or conditions, as a matter of fact, consult a doctor before drinking anything. It is always best to consult with a healthcare professional before adding to your diet. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and exploring the incredible world of turmeric. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future culinary adventures. I'd love to hear how you use turmeric in your own kitchen, so drop your favorite tips and recipes in the comments below. Until next time, happy cooking.